One of the most important things in a YouTube video, other than the content itself, is the thumbnail. You need to create an eye-catching thumbnail so people will see it when they do searches and they'll click on your thumbnail and they'll watch your video. Now, how do you create a thumbnail, a good-looking thumbnail for free? So I'm going to introduce you the software called Canva.com, and using Canva you can create YouTube thumbnails for free, and it can be easily done using drag and drop. So I'm going to show you how you can do it in this video. So let's go to my computer and I'll show you how. Alright, some people say that the thumbnail is even more important than the video itself. You might agree or disagree, but thumbnail is the one that makes you click. So a lot of them actually design, a lot of people actually design the thumbnail first before they look into doing the video, have the title ready and things like that. So it depends how you do, it depends on your timing or how you're able to commit to this, right? And if you're looking for inspiration, do look into some similar niche as you. So like for example, you see a certain thumbnail that strike out to you. For example, I'm in digital marketing, Facebook advertising niche, right? So you can see that there's a lot of different thumbnail that can be used, right? So you can find that one that sticks out to you. And if you notice that a lot of them that have a lot of views are mostly those that have picture of them. That's why you see all my thumbnails have picture of me, because it looks more approachable and people like to see faces in the video. And also, as you can see, there's a lot of wordings because sometimes people not able to read the text, especially in mobile, so the thumbnail must be very important so you can see the text. So you can see this is how they design, right? It's quite similar. There's always a picture of someone, there's wording that is able to attract, which is a short summary of the video. So this can be easily done with Canva. I'm going to show you how. So go to your Canva account, search for YouTube thumbnail. You see they're able to create channel art, display ad, icon, thumbnail. So thumbnails are that we always use, so YouTube thumbnail. And here you can see there's many examples that you can use, but a lot of them are on the niches of lifestyle, photography and things like that. I find this quite interesting, so maybe we can use similar like this, right? Because there's a picture of face, there's a place for you to put the words to make it looks attractive. So it's better to have 5 to 7 words or maybe less, 5 to 7 words, so to can attract people, to bring people in. 20 words also people cannot see. You see, like for example, this imitate, you see it's so small, you can't even read, right? So at the end of the day, you want to be able to read this. So for example, you just click this as an example, and for example, I just find a title. Then for example, I don't like the background image, I can just delete them, right? There's elements, photos, such a picture of laptop lifestyle, laptop. So yeah, people working in laptop, so just put it at the back, right? You can just replace background, right? For example, just replace background. You can put overlay. Send to back. This color is too dull. And then, so a lot of people use a picture of them, so I now use a picture of myself as well. So just put a photo here, right? I'm using a paid version of Canva, so I can remove background, but it's up to you. I would suggest to remove the background, so you can use certain software. I have a video on that, so you can search it out, and then you can use that video as a reference for you to remove a background. Let me just remove using, because I'm using paid version, so it's easy for me to remove, right? I just put here. So big. Right, then send to back, send to back, send to back. Oops. Okay, I'm here. And then because you see the colors a bit dark, so you just filter, put it a bit bright. You can pick there, so it pop out a bit, right? I usually would just adjust the contrast and also saturation, just like Instagram, make it redder a bit. There, and there you have created a YouTube thumbnail that you can use, right? So you just all you have to download it, and you have a thumbnail ready to go. It is very easy to do. It's all drag and drop. You can put more things inside there as well, no problem. There's a lot of For example, there's a lot of elements that you can play around with it. So I've seen this question being asked a few times in the Facebook group. Canva is one of the best design tool, to start for free and things like that, right? So yeah, just use this, and you can register for a free Canva account using my link description below. So go ahead and do it. Hopefully it helps you in creating a thumbnail for your video. Right, thank you. Yeah, that's it. That's how you create the thumbnail for your video, for your YouTube video. In fact, all of my thumbnails is done using Canva, and it's pretty well done, right? All right. So if you are interested in topics related to digital marketing entrepreneurship, do consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my future video. If you have any questions, any comments, feel free to comment in the comment section below, or hit me up in all my social media platforms. And with that, thank you very much, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.